Hi there, my name is Nathan Williams and I am the recruiter for the College of Fine Arts. I also happen to be an alum of the university. In 2015, I graduated with degrees in music performance and arts administration, and then I continued my education here and received a master's degree in arts administration as well. Today we have an amazing panel of current students who are going to answer just a few of your questions that you may have while you are considering the University of Kentucky and the College of Fine Arts. So first off, I would love for them to introduce themselves, and then we'll get started with the questions.
Hi, my name is Karen Powell. I am a double major in Arts Administration and Theater here at the University of Kentucky. And within the Arts Administration degree, I am also earning a certificate in Innovation and Entrepreneurial Thinking from the College of Communication.
Hey guys, my name is Gary McGill and I'm from Maryville, Tennessee. I'm an Arts Administration major and dance minor. I am a College of Fine Arts ambassador, I'm involved with Dance Blue, and I'm also a member of the Panhellenic Executive Council.
Hi, I'm Catherine Goebel, and I'm a dual degree student working on a BA in music, and I'm focusing on the violin, and a BA in biology.
Hi, I'm Tara Lynn Skinner. I'm a junior here at the University of Kentucky studying dance with a minor in theater, and I'm earning my musical theater certificate.
My name is Genesis Lourdes. I'm a junior studying integrated strategic communication and dance.
All right, thanks for that. Can you now talk about your experience in the Creative Arts Living Learning Program in Holmes Hall on North Campus?
Some of my favorite things about the LLP is living with a whole bunch of people who understand me. I feel like as an artist, sometimes when we talk to people who aren't artists, they don't understand what we're saying. So after everything I say, I have to be like, does that make sense? So it's really been awesome to live with people who understand exactly what I'm saying, and I don't feel crazy when I talk to them. It's also been really awesome to just grow with people. We go on auditions together and we go from the beginning to the end of a show together and just create really tight relationships, which I know I'll have for the rest of my life. I know that after college, I don't have to worry about connecting with these people. It's also been really awesome to dabble in a lot of different art forms. I've gotten a chance to do a lot of different arts related activities that I never would have gotten to do, like studio art stuff and going to see operas, which I'm not involved with at all. So it's really just been an awesome experience to try new things while I'm in college.
My favorite part of being in the LLP has definitely been the community of people that I've met and had the chance to collaborate with. I've been in the program for 3 years now, so I've met tons of amazing artists that have inspired me and have become lifelong friends. So I'm very thankful for the program.
A frequently asked question that comes up quite often is safety. So can you all talk about how you feel when it comes to the police presence on campus in Lexington, late nights across campus? How do you all feel when it comes to your safety on UK's campus?
So one cool thing about the security on campus is when you are studying late nights at Willie T. Library and you live on North Campus, which is about a 15-minute walk, and it's dark out, that's not safe at all. So the ROTC group has golf carts outside of Willie T, and they will drive you back to your dorm so that you make it safe, and they wait for you to get into your dorm building.
Wonderful. So what do you like to do outside of your studies when you're not practicing, when you're not going to class, and when you're not in rehearsal or in the art studio? What is there to do in Lexington outside of campus?
There are just so many things to do here that I can't even begin to touch on them all. So I'll focus on 2 things: horses and nature. And one of my favorite horse things to do here is go to Keeneland Racetrack. They have a spring and fall meet, and it's just so much fun to get a carload of friends and go out there and be in the sunshine all day and eat their fabulous nachos and just enjoy each other's company. And also the Lexington Park system has some amazing parks, and I love hiking on their trails. And not far from here is actually Red River Gorge, which is a national forest. They've got rock climbing and kayaking and ropes courses and Miguel's Pizza, which you'll learn about when you come here.
I decided to go through Panhellenic sorority recruitment my freshman year because I am an out-of-state student and I knew that this was an awesome way to get involved. I have absolutely loved the friendships that I've made within my own chapter and other chapters on campus. These women constantly push me to be the best I can academically, push me to pursue my passions, and just make my life so much fun. Something that's super awesome is that my life overlaps a lot between College of Fine Arts and my sorority. So I have several friends who are in my own sorority and in other chapters on campus who are in my major. And so I have classes with them every day and we get to study together, and it just makes it so much more enjoyable. I have never had a conflict between the College of Fine Arts and my sorority because all chapters on campus know that academics are a priority at all times.
And last but not least, study abroad is something that several students take part in, including myself. I got to travel, perform, work in Prague, Czech Republic, and I got to tour in China as well with the UK Symphony Orchestra. So I know a few of these students have traveled abroad, so I'll let them talk about their experience with that.
Well, this summer I was living my best life. Me and several other members of the UK Symphony Orchestra traveled to the Czech Republic, and we spent 8 weeks there in Tabor and Prague, and it was just an incredible experience. And we played in the last standing theater that Mozart conducted in, which was just surreal. And I'd also like to mention that the orchestra has traveled to China, and we just recently played at Carnegie Hall in New York City. And with Women's Choir, we just went to Nashville, and they have also done trips abroad to Europe. And it's just so fun to be making music with all your friends and seeing new places. And a majority of all this was funded by the university as well.
Well, thank you so much to the Living Learning Program peer mentors and student ambassadors for taking the time out of their busy schedule to answer some of your questions. If you still have questions, I'm available via email, Zoom, any way that's convenient for you. I would love to talk with you, answer your questions, get you comfortable with pursuing your passion at the University of Kentucky. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate reaching out to me. I would love to be in touch, and like they always say, go Cats!